All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at the studio drum or drum studio. This is part of the Vault's beta free plugins. This is, I believe, the sixth instrument they have. You get all of them when you download. This is an alternative rock style drum kit loaded with 90s pop punk charm, recorded at the well-loved CastleSound Studio in Scotland. Free for all members. All you gotta do is sign up and you download. No membership fees or nothing like that. So let's take a look at this thing. So this is the Vault's beta plugin. If you're new to it, you pretty much just download it, and when they have new sounds, you just re-download it and the new sounds are there. We got a grand piano, strings, other stuff here as well. We're gonna pick the studio drums here. There's a few controls we got. We got the room, we got the width sound, we got splash, shifter, echo, and splash. So let's just check this out. And then we have the kit on note keys here. All right, so that's some of the sounds. Typical, sounds like a 5-piece drum set, 3 toms, snare, kick, hi-hats, cymbals, and stuff like that. All right, so let's check out some of the effects here. All right, so we got the room in the width. As you can see, as you can hear, actually, it spreads it out a little bit, and the room sound makes it obviously sound like more of a room sound. Then the splash was, I believe, a compressor. Let's dial this back a bit here. Test out the echo. Okay, so we got the echo. The splash here is, I guess, reverb, and you can reverse the order of these. The reverb going into the echo, the echo going into the reverb. Smash is the compressor shifter. I don't know what that exactly is. Hit a little echo. That's pretty cool, actually. All right, so I actually used this in one of my songs in the verses. Let's check that out. Actually, I'm not even using the snare. kick in the hat for this. I like that hi-hat sound. So that's something I just threw together because I just got this. I was just messing around. I was trying out some different track that I was working on. And yeah, so it sounds pretty cool. It's, you know, not for everything, obviously, but you can use it on whatever. All right, so check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you soon.